Today we have a 2015 Ford F-150. We'll be replacing the cabin filter. So let's get to the passenger side and get to it. Okay guys, so now we're on the passenger side. The cabin filter is directly behind this area. So we're gonna open this up. And then before we remove the glove box here, we need to come to the side here. You'll see this little notch here. Just push, normally it's all the way in, like right there, but see it's kind of out. So I'm gonna push it back like so and let it drop. And then on each side, we're gonna push that out. And then right here, push this in, and let it drop down. So the cabin filter is located right here. Now, well, okay. Normally you're supposed to remove this here to get to this. And that is because you have to get these into this. But it looks like someone's been here and broke one side and did all this. So I guess I'm gonna go in the same way. So if you want to do it this way, you can. It doesn't really have to latch in there. Just kind of hold it in a little more. So this is easier. So I'm just gonna pop that lid up. And there is the cabin filter. So now I'm gonna pull this cabin filter out and just kind of slide it under this here. And just keep in mind the direction it goes in. So we put it back the same way. So normally it should be an arrow. Oh, there it is. So facing downward. But yeah, like I said earlier, normally you would remove this, and this is just held in with some clips, so it kind of just pops out. Just use a pry tool, but this way is also easier. It appears there's also supposed to be some bolts or something in there, but whoever did this before just did it like this. So you can do it this way. Like I said, it'll hold in. So let's get the new one in and close everything up. I guess I'll go ahead and get this in view. Once you kind of feed it into there, you can just slide it in very easily like so. So now my cover, which is I guess broken. Yeah, oh, I guess there's no bolts. It just has a little hole there. But anyways, we can just slide this upward and just lock it in. Boom. And like I said, normally this should go under here, which kind of latch it in with this removed, but they had it like this before, so we'll let it be. So now all we're gonna do is just close this back up, push it upward. Sorry, slide these in on both sides here. And these are plastic, so you don't really want to be too rough and break them. And then we're gonna slide this here, which like helps lower it very slowly. Slide it in right there, and we are done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.